Nepal sits at the heart of the Hindu Kush Himalayas. According to Isimot, these glaciers could lose up to 75% of their volume by the end of the century. Nearly 2 billion people depend on the rivers they feed. But the crisis doesn't stop at the mountains. According to the Nepali Times, Nepal generates 204 tons of plastic waste every single day. Two crises, one country, one generation left to answer for both. The answer was growing in plain sight. Tapari, shaped from the areca palm leaf, biodegradable, compostable, carbon neutral. Purdue University confirms areca palm is a scientifically viable alternative to single-use plastics. No microplastics, no pollutions, just a leaf doing what leaves have always done. What science is only now beginning to validate, our grandmothers never forgot. The answers don't always lie in laboratories. Sometimes they live in a small home, in a quiet lane, in the hands of a woman who never stopped knowing what we are only beginning to understand. Dema did not speak of carbon footprints. She spoke of leaves, of the forest, of not taking more than what the earth can give. She already knew everything we were trying to learn. Dema sat with us, each fold deliberate, each press intentional. In her hands, a tapari takes under a minute. In ours, a little longer. But in those minutes, something transformed. Not just technique, philosophy. That making something with your hands from the earth for the people is itself an act of care. Behind every product is a person. Behind every person, a story the market never bothered to tell.
टपारी दुना चाहिँ गाँसेर सिकेको के अनि ऐसेले लगाएर खाने त्यस्तै गरेर सिकेको घरमा सिक्न हामी पाउँथ्यौँ न कामले गर्दाखेरि.
Then we brought Tapari to the people, to the Rotary Heart Bazaar, where communities gather and ideas find their audience. And then people loved it, not out of obligation, but because holding something made by hand from the earth by a grandmother in a quiet lane feels different. We worked with food vendors across the Hard Bazaar, asking them to set aside the plastic and serve in Tapari instead. Many said yes. By the end of the day, 250 single-use plastic plates had been replaced. 250 fewer reasons for the earth to grieve. Lush, Hikaf 360, the Rotary Club of Kathmandu Circle, alongside us every step. Together, we didn't just tell Tapari, we built a movement around it.
So the world is moving towards a zero waste trajectory, and to see our young people preserve our culture while also making a tangible impact in the society, in the global market is just amazing. I wish you guys all the best.
Well, I need a lot of packaging, so I was already thinking how to make it more sustainable. So I'm really happy to have chance to collaborate with you guys.
We called our Tapari a token of love for the earth, for the craft, for every hand, young and old, that choose to carry it forward.